Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the speed unit on the ShipXplorer application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. At the left side on the screen, in the unit section, you can find the third option, the speed. And here you can select kilometers per hour, miles per hour, or knots. And just select a unit and click to the white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.